Nova Scotia Community College is a beacon of educational excellence in the province of Nova Scotia. Established in 1996, NSCC has since become a vital institution for students seeking practical and hands-on training in various fields. With campuses spread across the province, NSCC offers a wide range of programs that cater to the diverse needs of its student body. From business and technology to healthcare and trades, NSCC provides quality education that prepares students for successful careers in their chosen fields. NSCC has an application fees of 100 Canadian dollars. Annual international students' tuition fees of 11,600 Canadian dollars for all programs. As at 2024, in regards to the new update, international students are required to pay a tuition deposit of 5,000 Canadian dollars to get their attestation letter and to secure their seat instead of the previous 1,000 CAD. Note: the tuition deposit is non-refundable and cannot be transferred to another academic year. The deposit counts toward your tuition and confirms your intention to enroll. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.